buses to the suburbs. Metro 1 will link 8 Mile Plains to Roma Street, stopping at 11 stations along the busway. Metro 2 will link the Royal Brisbane and Women's Hospital to the University of Queensland, stopping at 12 stations. With services every 3 minutes in peak periods, every 5 minutes throughout the day, and 24-hour travel on weekends, you'll be able to just turn up and go. By fixing critical bottlenecks such as at the Cultural Centre, Brisbane Metro will save you up to 30% travel time in the morning peak and up to 50% in the evening peak. A new state-of-the-art underground station at Cultural Centre will provide easy and convenient access to metro and bus services. On-board features such as Wi-Fi, voice announcements of the next station, and real-time travel updates will enhance your journey. At the new Cultural Centre station, you'll be able to easily move around, with access to the street level via escalators, stairs, or lift. Station entries at the corner of Melbourne and Grey Street will provide fast and convenient access to the cultural precinct. With up to 340 fewer buses per hour at street level, this will allow for a new scramble crossing, providing a safer environment.